Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use studio projects in Bluebeam Studio. Let's explore step by step. After opening Revu 21, go to the Studio panel. In the Bluebeam Studio panel, your studio projects alongside the Sessions tab will be categorized below as not joined and joined projects. Let's create a new project from scratch by clicking the plus icon at the top. You can join the existing project or create a new one here. Click the New Project option and enter your project name in the New Project dialog box. Once you are done, click OK. Wait for the new project to appear before further customization. And here it is. Your project IDs will appear in front of the respective projects that you can share with your team members to join, or you can invite them by clicking the plus user icon here. Under the Invite Users dialog box, you can use multiple ways to invite your team members. Let's send an invitation via email address. After entering the email address, click the Check and Include Emails button. Ensure you entered the right person's email address and hit the Invite Participants button below. Now click OK to proceed, and your invitation will be sent to your team member to accept and join your project. Let's move towards adding files and folders to the Studio project. By clicking the New Folder button, you can create a new folder to organize multiple files and folders. Or you can also upload new files or folders from your device. For instance, let's upload a new folder with multiple types to see how it works. Wait for the folder to upload, and it will appear here. Double-click your folder to view files and any nested folders. We have two different types of files in this folder. One is a PDF file, and the other is PNG. If you double-click the PDF file, it will open in Revu 21. Click Yes to open side by side to your project viewer. Here, you can annotate or mark up your PDF, and the changes will be saved to the live PDF automatically. Similarly, if you double-click the non-PDF files, they will open in your system's default app for the particular file. You can also copy your project ID and share it with your team members so they can join your project by going to the Join Project option in their Bluebeam Studio. This is it for today. Watch our other video to see how to use Studio Sessions in Bluebeam. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, digitizing construction since 2003.